Hello. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the ApolloAI browser extension. The process is very simple. After installing the extension and logging in, restart your browser, and you should now be able to use Apollo on any website. Navigate inside any text box on any web page. For this tutorial, I'm on the Apollo app, but the extension works on any page. Once inside a text box, type /Apollo or /AP for short, and then write your prompt as you would normally do with an AI chatbot. Once you're finished writing your prompt, close it with another /, and then Apollo will start processing your command. You should see a notification on the bottom right corner of your screen. By default, Apollo will not delete your previous content and will instead append the result after the content. To change this, open the extension, navigate to Settings using the Settings icon at the bottom of any screen, and then change the insertion method to Replace and then hit Save. Apollo will now replace your previous content when generating a response. I hope you found this tutorial useful and wish you the best of luck on behalf of the ApolloAI team at Supremacy.